Hey guys, we finally finished our video quality test of the Mavic 2 Pro. We put it side by side with the Phantom 4 Pro since they have the same sensor size, they have similar price points, they also have similar video features. We were pretty excited with the results, so let's check them out. Before we get into it, just wanted to throw out a reminder to please hit the subscribe button so we can keep making videos like this for you guys. So for each comparison, we tested both the default color profiles as well as the log profiles for each drone. First was 4K, there's standard 4K and there's also 4K HQ on the Mavic. We tested both of those. Then we rolled into HD video at 1080p. Next we tried out the slow motion capabilities at 120 frames per second as well as 60 frames per second, all while using the maximum resolution for each drone. The last test we did was a quick one for ISO performance, and then to wrap things up, I'm going to roll some bonus sample footage for you guys. So there you go. I hope you guys got something out of that. I know we definitely did. I'll leave it up to you to decide which image you thought was better. If you guys want our opinion, go ahead and hit us up in the comment section below. Otherwise, you can wait for our full review in the weeks to come. As always, my name is Kavika with 9th F Studio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Shoots!